right, hey, good morning, y'all. This is Paul C. Tiarina with the SHT from yesterday, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for that opportunity. Tammy, thank you so much for facilitating that, and Carrie, thank you so much for allowing that. And thank you all so much for showing up. I thought we had a really great conversation. I asked Tammy afterwards, I was like, I hope I didn't get too animated or too harsh, you know, because I just get really passionate about what it is that we're there to do. And it was really exciting to see that we're all there for the same reason. We all want to be happy, and I think we all acknowledge that a big part of that starts with health and feeling good and having stable emotions and having a body composition that we're happy in and confident in and comfortable in, and feeling like we are perceived well by others and all those types of things that we discussed yesterday. So again, it was an honor, it was a privilege. I'll be following up with all of you individually, and hopefully here in the near future we'll have some kind of a seminar program that we can participate in around real food or sleep or mindfulness, or maybe all three. And if you have any questions or comments before then, feel free to reach out to me, and highly recommend that you connect with us on social media. We try to put out useful information most days, and we'll talk to you guys soon. All right, again, thank you so much. It was great meeting you.